Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Jackie and I'm going to show you how to do the mini stocking cap yarn ornament. So in every take and make little kit right here, you get some instructions and you get some yarn, and you also get a cardboard ring that's about 3 1/4 inch, and then all the yarn strands are about 12 inches, and there's about 42 of them. You just want enough to go around a ring and two at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna untie this, and this is a super fun and easy craft. You can even do this at home, even if you don't get the take and make. If you just have yarn and then a cardboard ring, which you can find and make with a paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, and then extra yarn. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my 2 strings of yarn I'm gonna use at the end to the side for now. And I'm gonna show you how to get started. So it's super easy. So you're gonna make a loop with the yarn, and then you're gonna take your tube and you're gonna put the loop of yarn through the tube, and you're gonna take the 2 strands right there and pull up just like that. So you just make a loop, put the loop through the cardboard tube and pull up. It's so simple and it's so easy. They're really fun. Kids and adults enjoy making these. I enjoy making them. So I'll do one more before we move on to the next step. So you just keep repeating this until it's all the way around. So I have this right here, made earlier. So now you have this all the yarn strands, and then so you're going to take the 2, well, one of the 2 you put aside earlier, and I have it laid down to do this part. You're gonna have to get about 1 inch from the top, and then you're going to just string it. I like to make a little bow, so right now this is kind of what it looks like before I tie it. And so I make just a little bow right here to secure it. All right, so now you have like this pom-pom starting. So what you can do right now, if you want, you can trim it up with scissors. This is what I did with our example right here. I made it more like short and poofy, so you can do that. For time purposes, I am just gonna show you how to attach the back string. So in the very back, opposite of the bow you just made, you're just gonna take a few strands and poke that through the back and lift it up, and then you want to tie a knot. You want to see how it hangs first, and then tie a knot or a little bow at the top, not too close to the bottom because it won't be able to hang quite right. Like that, and then now you have your ornament. So when everything's done, it should look kind of like this, and you can hang it anywhere you want, really. So I hope you enjoyed this take and make craft today, and if you are doing the holiday cheer challenge, go ahead and mark that off on your bingo, and I hope you all have a great holiday, and I shall see you soon. Thanks everyone.